Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Splendies. If you're not sure what Splendies is, it is a underwear subscription. Every month she sends you 3 pairs of underwear based on a profile that you complete. Do you want bikinis, thongs, briefs? Doesn't matter, a mixture of all of them. You can set that profile. I think she even, if I remember, she asks about prints and florals and things like that, you know. So, I mean, a complete profile. They have sizes from small all the way up to 4X. And they are seasonally themed, shall I say. So let's go ahead and see what she sent me this month. There is also a rewards program available. Here is my cute paper this month. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to open that carefully. I think I want to keep that. Ooh, oh wow. Okay. So here is my set for this month. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a velvet. So it is a velvet. Whoops. It has a bow on the top, lace on the side, right up on the top here, on the sides, and the whole bottom is lace. Now, one thing about this lace is it is super soft. So it's not going to be that kind of lace that bothers you in the crease of your leg, you know? So, yeah. And size up. You must size up. Now, my first month, I picked what size I normally am, and I even went by their size chart, and it was off. So I had to go up. So there's my first pair. The little teal pair, what does that say? Oh, wow, that actually says Splendies on it. But a nice wide waistband. The whole front and back is the lace. They do have cotton crotches. It's nice that they picked a color that matched the panty instead of just a bright white. Yeah, I like that. So there's my second pair. I wonder if these are for March. Yes, they are, and aren't they pretty? Look at that! How fun! I've got the wide waistband again. Lace trim. There's no shamrock. Is there shamrocks on the butt? Yes, there is. There is shamrocks on the butt, too. Very cute. So here are my 3 pairs that I received. I received like a green, blue, more like a teal. Some velvet. I couldn't think of it. Velvet undies. And then our shamrock undies. Very, very cute. I like them very much. If you are interested in trying Splendies for yourself, I will go ahead and leave my link for you down below. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.